Tired of sending subscribers to outdated resources? Let's dive into how to easily update your files in Mailerlite so everyone's always on the same page. First, log into your Mailerlite account. Now, navigate to the Automation tab. It's usually found on the top menu. Select the automation workflow that contains the email with the file you want to update. Click on the specific email block within that workflow. In the email editor, find the link to the file you wish to replace. Click on that link. A small window will pop up allowing you to edit the link instead of directly changing the URL. Choose the File Manager option. You'll now be in the File Manager, which displays all the files you've uploaded to Mailerlite. Locate the file you want to replace. Hover your mouse over the file and click the three dots, also known as the Options menu. Select the Replace option from the drop-down menu. A window will appear asking you to upload the new version of your file. Select the updated file from your computer. Mailerlite will upload the new file, replacing the old one. The link in your email will now automatically point to the updated version. Double-check in your email editor that the link is still active, but now directs to your new updated file. And that's it. You've successfully updated your file in Mailerlite. Remember to test your links and subscribe for more tips and tricks.